How to pair your garage door opener on a 2021 Hyundai Tucson. To pair the garage door opener of your 2021 Hyundai Tucson, first you want to have your garage door opener as well as your vehicle parked outside the garage. Then you want to make sure that you have your ladder or step stool underneath your garage door motor unit. Next step is you want to go ahead and start your vehicle. And this would be a good point to close your garage door, because in the next step it'll open. Next you want to clear the home link buttons by pushing the inside and outside home link buttons at the same time and holding, and that orange light, once it's cleared, will start to flash. Now that it's flashing green, it means that the home link has now cleared and it's ready to be paired. So you take your garage door remote and you hold it about 2 inches away from your home link button on the one that you want to pair. You're going to push and hold your garage door opener and the button at the same time. And it's going to flash that orange to a rapid green. When it flashes the rapid green, it means you've successfully paired your garage door opener to the home link button. If this was a non-rolling code, that is all that you would have to do to pair the button for your garage door remote. However, most codes now are a rolling code, and so it would require the next step, which is going up the ladder and pushing the Learn button on your garage door motor unit. On the back of the garage door opener, there's a button called a Learn button. It usually looks different from any of the other buttons. You may have to consult your owner's manual to figure out which button it is. However, you want to push that button, and then you have 30 seconds to climb back down the ladder and push the same button that you paired inside the car to complete the programming. You then are going to push and hold the same button that you programmed for 2 seconds, release, 2 seconds, release, 2 seconds, release. And that is how you complete the pairing of your garage door opener to your 2021 Hyundai Tucson. I hope this quick video helped you pair your garage door opener to your 2021 Hyundai Tucson. Thanks for watching.